Hello, my name is William and I am a professional at Mario 64. Now I will be showing you, shut up Mario, sorry, and I will be showing you Super Mario Boss 1 Bowser. And here we go. Wake up Bowser, Mario. Sorry, I don't know why, but I sometimes think Mario's Bowser and Bowser's Mario. Let's see how I can though. Okay, look. Swivelly thingy! Whoop! And don't worry, I am a professional, okay? See? Told you I'm a professional. Woo! Hey mushrooms, eat your dust. Bye. Eat my dust, you big fat things. Woof. What the? I said woof then. I meant to say whoa. Those bomb things are really... Whoop. I know this looks hard, but it's easy. Woof. We're at Bowser now. Get down. Get down, you lunatic. Mario. Now that is Bowser. But see, I can mix him with Mario though. I mean, Bowser's a lot bigger and fatter. And Mario is better. Give me your tail. What's wrong, button? Whoops, I chucked him. Now one thing, you're gonna want to chuck him at the bombs, not the... What? Ouch! What, did you see that? I just ran through his legs. Take that, you fat lump. Take this, you fat lump. Oh, what's inside him? Boom! Look here, I wonder what the heck is that? Oh, it's a key! Whoa! I did tell you I'm a professional. Now then, I'll be showing a better video of me doing this. Okay? See you later. See you on the next Mario video, and I will be better. I'll be like, woo, 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 woo. I'll also be using this move on the next one. Oops, it's hard to do. There. Might be using a bit of that. Ooh. Okay. See you on the next video. Goodbye. Oh, who am I playing at?